Which one do you speak?
Okay, I speak Ogba.
Ogba.
In Omoku.
Okay, so how do you when you want to say come, how do you say it?
It's beer.
When you want to say go, how do you say it in Ogba language?
Ngwaje.
Huh?
Jije.
Jije.
Okay.
When you want to say I want to eat,
Atomiri hori.
say it again.
Atomiri hori. Bienim hori. Atomi eguneko atomiri hori. When I say I'm hungry, I want to eat. Eguno ekwem.
Okay, when you want to say where is your husband?
Eko look at it. Daladi.
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 Where is your husband?
Okay, when you want to say where is your wife?
Wila. Dala makawi.
Dala makawi.
Wiye di. Wiye di.
Wiye di. Okay. If you want to say
wife.
When you want to say welcome, how do you say? No.
Yeah.
Okay, so now is this a language or a dialect?
It's a dialect.
Dialect of where? Of which language?
Be
the name.
Actually, my name is Jacob Azubike, thank God.
Jacob Azubike, thank God.
But they call me Azuka.
Okay, Azuka. Okay, all right. Waiting be your order. Remove the English names.
Yeah.
Remove the your native names.
Okay, Afamba Azuka.
Okay, Azuka who?
Azuka Jacob. Jacob is my surname.
What's the name of the name of your forefathers?
Okay, now I understand where you're coming from. My name is Azubike, son of Ifeanyi Jacob.
The son of Ifeanyi Jacob.
Jacob Ograbe.
Ograbe.
Yeah.
Ograbe. Waiting he mean for your language?
Somebody who's always work on his own. Ograbe.
Okay, Ogarankia. Ograbe. Okay, all right. We try learn, you know. Okay, so tell us your origin. Where are you? As in the people of Omoku. The people of Omoku, where are they? Where are they from?
Our ancient people, they told us that Omoku, Ogba. This place is called Omoku, Ogba. We are from the Benin. We are from Benin.
Okay.
Yeah. That's where the Ogba came from.
So what?
They're about. They are from Benin.
Okay.
And where is Ahuda?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't want to know what is the connection between you and the Igbos that you are bearing the name, like not any trace of Benin name in you.
Okay. According to the history, that was the particular one that I told you. But intonation of Ogba, our intonation did not even look alike with me that those my ancient people told me that we originate from, that we claim to come from.
So what does that mean? What does that entail?
What I seem to understand there, in short, if you ask me, I don't really know what to say that area, because I think there is some coincidence there. Why I say coincidence is, my people telling me that we are from Ogba, and when you go to Benin, you get that Ogba people there. Why we don't even hear from the Edo people? If they speak, we can't hear. But if an real Ogba person speaks, the Igbo man sometimes catch up and hear what they say. And that is how the Igbos speaks here. We, the Ogba, will also hear from them. But if the Edo man come to this place and speak, one day, Mangwaga we don't hear from them.
So how come, I mean, because this information has gone through many years, that, okay, how can people be lost in name, in culture, and in tradition up to this point that they are still believing? Some people say they are from Benin, but there is no trace. Or have there been elders here who has gone to Benin?
What happened is that, you know, that sometimes things do change. Yes. Like you ask some people, sometimes they may be telling you of their child who traveled to a particular country, to a particular state, who has not come back, that have have family there, they have relatives there, But if you ask them very well, they still tell you their origin, where they come from.
Yes.
So that is what I just think on.
But most of those people will always retain a part of their culture and their names.
It's true. Most of our culture here, if you ask me, most of them are from the Igbo. And most of them are from the Benin that they say. Like, we have so many cultures here. We have our masquerade culture, and our festive culture, and our wrestling culture.
So which of them is related to Benin and which of them is related to the general Igbo?
Okay. Our festive related to the Benin. Why our masquerade related to the Igbo? And if you watch,
mention that festival.
We call it Nchaka.
Nchaka
Ogba of
Nchaka Ogba.
Yes.
How do they do it?
Yes, it's a festive that as you hear of festive, we always have it at the 11th month of the year, called November. First the women, second the men. Are you getting me?
So is that culture traceable to the Benin?
Yes.
Okay. So what do they do?
It's just a come together of people, at least a celebration of, or if not for another class, being alive and seeing the particular day.
Okay. So do you also practice the 4 market days of the general?
Yes.
What do you call yours?
We'll have our Ore Afo Nkwo Aho here.
Ore Afo Nkwo?
Yes. Nkwo Ore Afo. Those.
Ekenko?
Yes. It's also here.
Okay. Okay.
Market day, Eke market day, Afo market day, and Ore market day. We'll have it here.
Does it say that the Benin people came here and met Igbo people here?
No. What I've told you from the history of our forefathers, they do tell us that we are originated from Benin, a place called Ogba. And when you come in Omoku community here, not even Ogba, we have a place called Obosi community. Obosi community. Are you seeing?
Where is that Obosi? What's the origin?
Obosi community originated from Ogba.
Ogba.
Yes. Obosi.
Okay.
Anambra State. Are you getting me? Yes. So after you don't minute there about those areas there, you get Obosi.
All right. You know, so does the Ogba people speak a different language?
Ogba as a whole is one.
Yeah.
In Ogba, we have Ibru. We have Ege. We have Ogba language, Ibru language, Ogba language, and Ege language.
As in, which one do you understand?
I understand all.
Which one do you speak?
Okay, I speak Ogba.
Ogba.
In Omoku.
Okay, so how do you when you want to say come, how do you say it?
It's beer.
When you want to say go, how do you say it in Ogba language?
Ngwaje.
Yeah? Jije.
Okay.
When you want to say I want to eat,
Atomiri hori.
say it again.
Atomiri hori. Bienim hori. Atomiri hori. When I say I'm hungry, I want to eat.
Okay, when you want to say where is your husband?
I could look at DJ. Daladi. Where is your husband?
Okay, when you want to say where is your wife?
Wiyila. Dalamaka wi. Di.
Okay. If you want to say
wife.
When you want to say welcome, how do you say? No.
Yeah.
Okay, so now is this a language or a dialect?
It's a dialect.
Dialect of where? Of which language?
Like from the beginning, as I told you, from the story of my forefathers, that we Ogba Epehe is the Akoda people. Okay. That we come from, we migrated from Benin.
Okay, migrating from a place, does that make you an indigenous of that place, and that you originated from that place?
My brother is, in all.
Because when you said let's get this,
trace your origin. Okay.